Hello again everyone, this is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices so you can become a better trader. Welcome back. Today is Saturday, August 29th, and we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 here and see what the market's doing, and on a daily and weekly basis. Then I'm going to look at three stocks that we've had the insider members into on CELG, SanDisk, and GoPro. All right, let's start off here with the S&P 500. So it was up 1.2 on Friday, so not very much movement, very compressed action in here. This is a retracement from the high on the 18th to the low on Monday, the 24th. Retraced about a little over 50%, about, I'm guessing 53%. Haven't done the exact calculation. All I know it's a little bit over 50%. It's not closing above the 10 yet. So we'll watch to see, do we get any further action in here. I'm actually looking for this to pull back down and come back down. Now, it may take a day or two, whatever, but that's what I'm watching for. Pretty big snapback on this thing so far. Let's take a look at the weekly move. Now, the weekly, a little bit different looking candle, although I'm not going to put a ton of weight on that. I mean, folks in the candlestick arena call that a hammer. And I believe I've seen some statistics on it that maybe 60% of the time it might be a reversal. So, I mean, that's not a whole lot over 50-50. Just going to continue. You can see how big this broke down. Now, it hasn't taken out the October low like we've talked about with the Dow and the New York Composite. You know, they smashed through the October low, and the New York Composite even broke through this low down back here. So given that all that damage was done by those two indices, and the New York Composite's fairly broad, I am kind of looking to see if this is going to continue to roll back down. All right, let's take a quick look at the three stocks trade ideas that folks were in. Got into this trade idea with the insider members. Actually entered on the 14th, which was back, where was this? Right in here at the close, and rode through this little pullback, and then got out in thirds on the way down, and then finally the last third right here on Thursday. Pretty good, not as much as I would hope for, but we still have 73% profit, 9 trading days. Cannot complain. The next one is SanDisk, and SanDisk got into on the 14th also. And where is the 14th? Right in here. When it broke this 2-day low in here, entered here on the 14th, and then also kind of phased out in thirds, exited in thirds, and the last third was on the 27th on Thursday. And that was 80% profit in 9 trading days. I am still in GoPro, and we entered this trade idea on the 17th. Right here on the 17th, right in here, and then rode it on down. Got it. I'm out of 2/3 of the position and is still holding a third on this. So far, it's doing very well, and we'll see how it continues to play. I mean, GoPro's really gotten hit, especially as it broke that trend line there. And I've got about 12 stocks on a watch list, including Netflix, First Solar, Adobe, and 9 others. So we're continuing to monitor it. All right, everyone, that's just a quick abbreviated version of the weekend update, of course. If you want all the detail I give my insider members on the weekend market analysis, head over to joehenches.net. Click on the join page and read all about it. Would love for you to become a member. Everyone, have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week.